Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the 2012 Honda Accord cabin air filter. Park the car on level ground and open the glove box fully to reveal the damper and stops. Remove the glove box retaining pins, lower the glove box, and unclip the filter cover. Pull the old filter straight out, note its airflow arrow, then slide in the new filter the same way. Reassemble the glove box and test airflow at the vents. Before starting, make sure you have the correct replacement filter and simple hand tools. Sit in the passenger seat and open the glove box to its full drop position so components are accessible. Use a flashlight to inspect the filter housing and locate the retaining clips and damper arm. With a small flat tool, carefully depress clips and lower the glove box further to expose the filter cover for removal and replacement. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to keep more easy car fixes coming. Quick recommendation: pair an Echo Dot smart speaker with your workshop so you can call up steps hands-free while you work, set timers, or play music to make the task more fun. It sits nicely on a shelf and responds to voice commands while you have greasy hands. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Work methodically. Remove the glove box stops first, then lower the glove box to reach the filter housing. Unclip the filter cover and slide the old filter straight out to avoid scattering debris. Compare the new filter orientation and push it into place following the airflow arrow, then snap the cover back on and lift the glove box into position, reinstalling the stops. Finally, run the fan to confirm clean, even airflow and no odd noises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.